Hello, this is Decimal, and today I want to talk about the reissue of Hypnosis. Hypnosis is a time effects processor by Dreadbox. It features analog processors with 3 effects, so it has a chorus flanger circuit, a hybrid delay, it has a spring reverb with a real spring, and it has a variable time pre-delay. It has 2 LFOs, one is hardwired to the chorus and one is free for patching in. Of course, you can see down here, it is very Eurorack patchable. It can fit into Eurorack, which is 42 HP, or it can be a standalone unit, and it's powered by USB. It has 11 patch points. It accepts guitar mic levels and modular gear as well, so you have that range of inputs. It's a DIY kit with no soldering involved, which is priced at 200 euros or 214 USD, and it's limited to 500 pieces. So if you want it, I suggest to order it sooner rather than later. If you were wondering if this was mono or stereo, it is mono 3.5 millimeter. Why don't we take a listen to what it sounds like from the video that Dreadbox posted. I want to show you another sound demo. It comes from the previous version, not the reissue. I'll put a link to the full video in the description, but why don't we take a listen for reference. What do you guys think of this DIY kit by Dreadbox? Let me know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.